So me have on my marina, my ganzi, my shirt, my button down shirt, my button down sweater. My other sweater and my coat. Alright, good. So let me just fasten this now. Okay. Fasten this. Everything. Fasten up now. Alright. Okay. I'm gonna put this on now. I'm gonna put this. See something? One so. Alright. Okay, good. I'm gonna put on this, yeah. Yes. Yes, that is good. Got today cold. Yes, man. Yes, I have to cover up. Alright. Let me put on. See something.
Okay, Grandma. You ready?
Yeah, man, me almost finish. Okay. Let me put this. You know, them call this infinity scarf, they call it. You go round and round. And there. Okay. Alright.
Okay, let's go.
But not done yet. No, sir.
Are you serious, Grandma?
Yes, Natalie. You know, she say cool out there. You know, it's minus today. You know how much minus it is today? 10. So them say 10, and you know what that mean. Them no factor in the chill. Them no factor in the wind we come in. Then call it chill factor. Why them no factor it into the amount a minus when them say it is? No man, me not go this one. No. From when me see me look on your internet online, I see the pictures there. Remember when you show me say the raptures, them wrap up, then say, yeah, me not ramp with the cool and the cool not ramp with me, sir. No, sir. Me not done yet.
Then
Alright. This here have to go on. Oh, this is the back. Oh. Yes. You know what? Let me flat down the ears them.
but you already have something covering your ears.
So, me can cover up my ears again. Good. Alright. Me fasten it, make sure it stay down for me head. Because me no want the breeze blow it off and me feel it cold. What's that?
You could use your hood, you know, Grandma.
Yes, I may go use it too. Where you think it did there for? Fashion?
Grandma, I know it's cold, but this is too much. You can't do all.
Listen to me, Natalie. Me nah bother with you again. Me nah turn up here so and argue with you. Me nah ramp with the cowl. Me nah ramp with the cool. Okay? You know see the raptures. Remember the raptures me say? The one name and I go what name I go the other one Imbaki. Me no know the African name. Me always mix up, mangle up and feel like me go swallow my tongue when I see them the African name. But you know which one me I talk about. You see, you know see wrap up in yourself and then wear the scarf, the long scarf them. And then the scarf more and get you know. Because of that, me I go the right now. Me not ramp with this cool here, you know. Me not ramp with it because it not ramp with me, sir. No, sir. Me not ramp with it. Yes, man. You say. Yes, man. Yes. Good. See it there now? Alright, see it there now?
Can you even see me?
Then, Natalie, of course, me can't see you. If me could see you, then me would wrap myself up like this. Sure. Alright. Alright, I think we're good now. Alright, let me get my gloves here. Put them on. Put on this mitten them.
I'm surprised you're not using your other hand gloves as well.
You know what? You're right. Let me go and get my hand glove them. And put it on with this.